It's more bad news for gold this week. After a failed attempt to rise back to 1,700 an ounce, gold is trading at the lowest level since April 2020. And analysts say the worst is not over, as there is a major risk that gold can drop below 1,600. Here's a look at Kitco's top 3 stories of the week. At number 3. More and more Russian gold is getting into Switzerland to be remelted. According to the August customs data, Switzerland imported 5.7 tons of Russian gold, which is worth more than $300 million. This is the highest level in more than 2 years. Swiss officials clarified that Russian gold came from the UK and did not violate any sanctions. Switzerland banned imports of old new Russian gold, but the bullion traded by Russia before August 4th does not fall under these sanctions. Investors are likely using Switzerland as a major refinery hub to remelt their old Russian bullion. This will make it easier to eventually resell it, since there's now a stigma attached to all Russian gold. At number 2. The Federal Reserve raised rates by 75 basis points for the 3rd time in a row. And gold had a mixed reaction. The big news was that the federal funds rate could go up to 4.4% by the end of this year, and then rise to 4.6% in 2023. For markets, this means another 75 basis point hike in November and an additional 50 basis point increase in December. Gold attempted to stage a rally when Fed Chair Jerome Powell told reporters that a period of below-trend growth is very likely. Many see this as Powell's quoted message that a recession is on its way. And coming in at number 1. Simultaneous rate hikes by central banks around the world could trigger a string of financial crises. That's according to the World Bank. This kind of synchronization between central banks has not been seen in the last 5 decades. And the World Bank says global growth is already slowing dramatically. This means that the global economy will suffer if all these rate hikes are met with financial stress. That's a look at our top 3 stories of the week. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and for more headlines, check out Kitco.com.